สวัสดีครับ Today we will be presenting our research project for the Global Innovators Research Challenge 2025, AIDetect, the easy artificial intelligence program for detecting chronic diseases. My name is Nathanan Singtorod, the project lead.
My name is Khun the main web developer.
My name is Pawathai Chanjam, the associate researcher. Our project centers around a website that we create to make diagnosis more accessible to people who either do not have enough time or people who find that going to the hospital lack convenience, often because of the high amount of patients leading to overcrowding.
The problem is that going to the hospital is not very convenient, especially for people with a tight schedule. Or sometimes something has come up that prevents them from going to the hospital. This can lead to more problems. For example, neglect of health, increased expenses and time spent on treatments, along with the loss of the ability to enjoy life like you once did.
Our objective for this project are stated as follows. 1. To provide easier access to diagnosis for chronic condition. 2. To provide an alternative method instead of going to the hospital. 3. To reduce congestion and the number of patients going to the hospital only for diagnosis and nothing else. And 4. To prevent the neglect of health among the population. Our solution to this problem, as stated before, to incorporate the use of artificial intelligence to aid patients who are either unwilling or unable to go to the hospital for a diagnosis by providing an easily accessible and trustworthy alternative source for preparation, diagnose relating to chronic disease and condition, and to check if these patients have picked up any condition that they may not have originally known.
We gather information about 12 chronic diseases and their effects. The data will then be turned into binary form and split into two, those being training data and testing data. Training data is the database and to train the AI, while testing data acts as a starting point for the AI to be trained. Our AI model has two files, the SVC file and the encoder file. The SVC file will take the input data, analyze that data, then send the output to the encoder file. The encoder file will translate the output data into diseases names and display them on the website.
So, with all this being said, you may be wondering, how does it really work? Our AI works by taking data that is input by users. These input data from users are sent through the questionnaire on our website, and the questionnaire asks things like age, blood pressure, current mass 1 week before, urine per day, water intake per day, and their gender, along with any other symptoms they may have, such as fatigue, a cold, confusion, thirst, etc. With the data collected and with all these factors combined, coupled with the training data, the AI is able to analyze the input data and provide an accurate, precise, fast, and safe diagnosis. And here are some example screenshots from our prototype web pages from the AIDetect website. The first image on the left displays the first web page of the website where participants and patients are free to start their questionnaire. And the screenshot on the right displays the questionnaire itself, where the data from said questionnaire that is input by the user will be used by the AI in order to be analyzed and produce a diagnosis. And so, thank you for watching our video exhibition on our project, AIDetect. Thank you.